Bullish Winklink cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market experts accept Win could reach $0 2025. Bearish Winklink market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Winklink presentation. Decentralized gaming has filled in prominence as of late. Be that as it may, imagine a scenario in which you could play computer games while procuring digital currency. Or on the other hand, what about a game where you can play completely on your conditions in a decentralized setting? Wink is adding to the progression of innovation. Winkcoin has seen exceptional cost expands this year. In our Winkcoin cost expectation, we go over all that there is to be familiar with this awe-inspiring crypto gaming climate and what's on the horizon for it. The current year's cost increment has carried this brilliant computerized resource for the very front. The cost increment, in any case, has many individuals contemplating whether they passed up Winkcoin, and in the event that contributing presently is really smart, this cryptographic money guide will show you all that there is to be aware of the Winklink and its elements. In any case, we will keep on zeroing in on the Winklink cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is Winklink? Winkcoin is a digital money used to pay charges and work with exchanges on the Wink organization. Individuals who purchase cash to play empowered games on Wink esteem the coin, and cryptographers accept Wink has previously exhibited its helpfulness as a wise speculation coin with a splendid future. An improvement group of around 12 individuals made the Wink coin. A large number of them are previous workers of large companies like Amazon. 3 colleagues have worked in the gaming and the board businesses, and 4 have recently worked with blockchain innovation. The Wink's engineers will likely make the main gaming stage in the blockchain business. It tries to be the focal center where individuals can connect, mingle, and stake across different blockchain stages. Wink professes to have the most games on the Tron blockchain and a great many assets and instruments for designers to make an extensive variety of interesting gaming apps. Clients mine Wink coins while utilizing their #1 stage programs. The more extended a player plays, the more tokens they will get. Coordinated efforts with game engineers. Win has fostered a Layer 2 decentralized program in light of Tron that can be utilized to run games. Players are compensated for following the conventions illustrated in the shrewd agreements for each game. To remunerate Win financial backers, marking and capital additions from a potential success cost increment are utilized. On the off chance that the undertaking prevails with regards to getting notable designers to make games for the Wink stage, interest for the success token might go up. Winklink current cost. Winklink is presently worth $0. Win has moved 0.27% as of now with an exchanging volume of $24,254,329. Winklink is as of now positioned 193 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $84,776,306 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Winklink to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Winklink market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Winklink value expectation 2022. Winklink, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The success cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. Yet it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Win is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Winklink value forecast 2023. In 2023, Winklink Win cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Win will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the success overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Win will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Winklink value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. Win might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Win is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Winklink value expectation 2025. Assuming Winklink effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the success coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Win will be green in 2025. The success is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0 at typical cost of $0. Winklink Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the success cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, Win has a greatest value worth of $0. Winklink Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that success figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help Win needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Winklink Value Forecast 2028. While Win is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Winklink Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Winklink will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Winklink Value Expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme success cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And the subject of our discussion was Winklink. Each speculation will pay off due to its true capacity and helpfulness. It is a superb speculation in the event that you intend to save the coin for quite a while. Specialized examinations and outside impacts, authorities on the matter agree, influence their outcomes. It's likewise smart to accumulate your considerations and afterward utilize the gauges to shape your perspective. At long last, it's great that you don't put an excessive confidence in cost conjectures. The eventual fate of the Wink coin cost is brilliant in light of the fact that the decentralized resource has gotten extraordinary surveys from crypto specialists, has a splendid future in view of specialized examination, and is one of the most famous decentralized gaming stages. While many individuals see Wink coin's gigantic potential, a sizable part of the populace is uncertain where to place their cash in this state-of-the-art speculation as long as possible. The arrangement is to utilize a trustworthy exchanging trade like eToro, which has been around for quite a while and gives you admittance to significant exchanging devices. What is the Winklink cost today? Today, Winklink is exchanging at $0 an all-out market capitalization of $84,776,000.